In this video, I am going to show you how to choose who can reply to your Instagram story on the Instagram.com website. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. After that, you should tap on your username at the top and then click on edit profile at the top of the screen and then tap on privacy and security in this column. After that, tap on edit story settings, and here you can see the replying section, allow message replies from everyone, people you follow, or off. So if you tap onto this circle, it will be selected, so if everyone can reply, tap on it. If you would like only the people that you follow to be able to reply to your story, then tap on the second one, and you can turn it off completely so no one will be able to reply to your Instagram story. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.